Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is online and signed into the Google account you intend to use. This lets Assistant link preferences and devices. Once done, update or install the Google app and grant microphone and location permissions so Assistant can hear and give contextual answers. Now open the Google app, tap More, go to Settings, then Google Assistant. This moves you from prerequisites into the setup screens, where you'll enable the Assistant and choose core options. You'll continue by selecting which devices should run Assistant, pick phone or paired smart speakers so commands route correctly. Then set the primary language and add secondary languages if needed. This improves recognition and response relevance. Make sure to train voice match so Assistant recognizes your voice for personal results and secure actions. Also enable lock screen access and voice activation if you want hands-free use. These steps link voice identity to device. You finish by testing Assistant with the wake phrase, say, "Hey Google," and ask something simple like the weather. If responses are good, set up shortcuts or routines for repeated tasks to save time. Make sure any linked services, calendars, or smart devices are authorized so Assistant can act on them. If something goes wrong, first check microphone permission, then restart the device and ensure the Google app is up to date. This common sequence resolves most setup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.